Hi guys, welcome to another vlog from Cool, my hometown, where I'll be taking you the tour of my house, what all we have, a typical traditional Cool house. Recently, last week, bird had laid some eggs in our house and the babies are already out and you can see the babies. Mama bird is sitting on chicks. This is the pepper tree, typical pepper tree, where you can see the pepper started growing early days. They're full of peppers. And we have a beehive at our house. We have around 6 beehives. This is one of them. You can see the bees sitting, entering, going. And we have some mulberry leaves which will help for silk farming. We have just plucked jackfruit in the morning. And this is a papaya tree. Papayas are just coming out. And this is the second beehive, which is yet to be filled with bees. And this is the third beehive, where the bees are already there, busy in their work. And this is the fourth beehive. Bees are missing, soon be filled. And this is the fifth beehive. Fifth beehive just got ready, waiting for bees. And we are going to see the sixth beehive, which has been kept a little bit far at a different place. Again, these are pepper trees, pepper plants basically. And this is the sixth beehive, ready without bees. And this is the sapota tree. You can see the chiku, which is already grown, few more to come. And this is butterfruit. Already we have plucked most of the butterfruits. One of the butterfruit has fallen here. Need to plant this. This is pan ki bale, just growing. And this is drumstick. Drumstick are yet to be grown. And we have big coconut trees and mango trees as well, which are huge. I don't know whether you're able to see it properly or not. These are the one. I'll show you the top view now, how our backyard will look like basically. This is how it looks from the top basically. That's a well. You can see mulberry leaves, coconut trees, and there is a backside. Kaveri river is there after those grassland. This is the chiku plant. You can see this is our backyard. Mango, pepper, coconut, chiku, jackfruit, butterfruit, everything. And this is jackfruit. And that is supari tree standing alone. That's all from today's video, guys. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates.